Welcome back, guys. My name's Hass, and today I'm going to teach you how to buy any ecosystem token using an app called Metamask. So Metamask is a wallet, and that's what we're going to be using today for our tutorial. So guys, now that we've purchased our BNB, we're going to go ahead and buy our token. So make sure you got your Metamask open and make sure it is on the correct wallet currently. So the wallet we need it on is Binance Smartchain. As you can see, mine's already on it and I've topped up with $9.37. So we now need to import our contract address. We're going to need the contract address for two different things. First one is importing it here to add it to our wallet. The second one is purchasing it. So go ahead, head over to your local browser, Safari, Google Chrome, whatever you use, and we're going to head over to a website, ETHFAN.club. So this is the website for the ETHFANTOKEN ecosystem, and this is where we can find our contract address easily. Other options to get the contract address is through Twitter or their official Telegram, or you can find it in the description. I'll add it there for you. When you do find it in the description, please note there is another contract address you do need to add, which is the Binance Peg Ethereum address, which is the address where you receive your rewards. So when you add that address, you'll see all of the ETH rewards that you're accumulating under that section of the wallet. So as you can see on my screen now, I've gone about 3/4 of the way down the page and I found my contract address. I'm zooming in and out just so you guys can see. So I'm going to copy that now and I'm going to head over back to MetaMask and I'm going to press import tokens. So if I press import tokens, it then gives me this custom token page where it's got token address, token symbol, and token of precision. So under token address, I'm now going to paste in the contract address and then press next or done or whatever option you have on your iPhones. And as you can see, the EFT token symbol has come up and the precision of token is 18. So that's all the details I need. I'm now going to press import. And there you go. EFT is now successfully added to my wallet. So that's part one done. So now we're going to go trade our BNB for some EFT. So this time round, we're going to head over to another browser, but this one is inside MetaMask. So press the three lines at the top left to access the menu. And we're going to head to the browser, which is the first option under send and add funds. So when we do that, you get your browser loading up. Under the search or in the search bar, what we're going to type is pancakeswap.finance. So it's pancakeswap.finance. As you can see, I've searched for it before. It's the logo with a pancake which has ears and it's got a blue background. So that's the one we want to head over to. Now that this is loaded up, first thing we need to do is connect our wallet. So go ahead and press connect. As you can see, one of the options there is MetaMask. If you press more, you get multiple other wallet connection options, but we're using MetaMask today. So go ahead and press on the MetaMask icon. It then says connect to this site, which is basically you authorizing your wallet to connect to Pancake. We want to go ahead and do that. Press connect. Now that we press connect, where it said connect at the top right hand side, it now shows a wallet symbol, which means that you're now connected. Okay, at the bottom of this browser, as you can see, it says trade, earn, win, NFT, and you've got 3 dots for more options. We need the trade option. So go ahead and press trade, and it brings you to a swap screen. Now that we're on the swap screen, you can see we've got BNB, which currently shows the value of 0.02267776, which is my $9 I added to the wallet. And underneath it says cake. So what we're going to do is go ahead and select cake, and it gives you a select a token screen where you can search the name or paste the address. We're once again going to paste the clipboard, the contract address from the clipboard, which we've already got, which is the one for ETHFANTOKEN ecosystem. As you can see, EFT comes up. What we need to do is then press import and select I understand on the bottom left. Okay, once we select I understand, you're basically saying, agreeing to the terms where it says anyone can create a BEP20 token address with a name, including creating fake versions of existing tokens and claim to represent projects that do not have a token. So once again, always check your contract address. Make sure it's from a credible source. After you're happy with that, press I understand, press import. Now, as you can see on our swap screen, we've got BNB at the top and we've got EFT at the bottom. So we're going to always need to make sure that we have enough smart chain for the transaction. So if you press max, as you can see, it doesn't let you use the max amount you have left, because the remaining amount is for you to be able to do your transaction, because you need a small amount of smart chain, which is generally a few dollars for the transaction to complete. So typically for this token, you need to have your slippage tolerance set to 12%. But on this occasion, I'm going to show you a way how to make it 0.5. So we're going to leave the slippage tolerance on 0.5. We don't need to change anything else. And what we're going to do is simply, as you can see, the EFT quantity is 758,033,000. All we're going to do is add a 0.00 on the end, like I've done there, 0.00 on the end, and press swap. This will allow your transaction to go through with 0.5% slippage. Okay, so go ahead and press confirm. And what it's going to do is then going to give you this confirmation screen where you can see that we're going to buy $5.24 worth of EFT. The estimated gas fee is there. That's the BNB price. And the total for the transaction, which is 0.01649. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and press confirm. Just to make sure you understand, when you purchase EFT, there's purchase tax, which is 10%. So make sure you are not panicking once you receive the tokens. That amount will already be deducted when you purchase the tokens. Okay, guys? So go ahead and press confirm. As you can see, the transaction is submitted. Just waiting for the transaction to be completed. We're waiting for the confirmation. You can go ahead and press close on this screen. It also gave the option to add EFT to Metamask directly there, which is another way you can add it to your wallet. There you can see my transaction receipt has now appeared, and I can head over back to my wallet. And if I click on EFT, there you go. Even before me clicking, it's updated. So there's my token amount. That's me successfully adding and contributing and doing my transaction on EFT. So I've transferred my BSC Smart Chain token to EFT successfully now, and it's now in my wallet. So as you can see, the remaining fees or the remaining currency left in my BNB will be there, and I need to leave it there in case I ever want to sell my EFT. Okay, guys, that's all. So guys, now we've successfully purchased our tokens using Metamask. We've also added the Binance Smart Chain network to our wallet, as well as the contract address, so we can see our tokens. Like I said before, there's also a Binance Peg Ethereum contract address you need to add. This is the one where you receive your rewards. So basically, when people trade EFT and when the price goes up and down, you get paid passive income in the form of Ethereum. So make sure you add that contract address to your wallet as well. And make sure you like and subscribe. I'm going to bring more great content to you, and I'll be open to suggestions as well. If anyone wants a tutorial on any particular topic, please let me know. Hit me back on Twitter, Telegram, or leave a message in the comments here, and I'll make sure I can create that tutorial for you. So guys, good luck. Have a good evening. Hope you enjoyed it.